So I'm Yugank Goyal. I will be taking this elective called New Institutional Economics. Um, institutional economics broadly. And institutions are differentiated from organizations in this context. Um, Organizations would be higher education institutions, for instance. Institutions here would mean laws and rules of the society, written or unwritten, regardless. And the idea would be to see how do rules change economic behavior or have impact on economic behavior. How do institutions have impact on economic behavior? Um, One of the this is a sub branch of mainstream economics, of course, but it has become extremely profound in the last 2-3 decades after several Nobel Prize winning economists working on this area. Um, the idea of, I mean, one of the most important questions that this discipline seeks to answer is, for instance, why are some countries rich and why are some poor, if we know the formula for development? And how do you assess and examine and understand the idea of development itself? And once you know it, what are the kind of laws or informal social norms that you must have in place, which will um, which will either advance or impede the process of development, for instance. In the first half, we will do canonical literature. We will pull out the theories from around the world. Some of them have gone on to become Nobel Prize winners, the authors of these ideas. And the second half, we will examine the Indian case specifically. What are the institutions in India that somehow impede or advance economic development? Development understood in certain sense, in all possible senses, let's put it this way. In a way, this subject goes beyond what traditional or mainstream neoclassical economics tries to attempt to answer, and so it shows what is the importance of history, sociology, politics in impacting economic behavior and economic performance. Yeah. So that would be